Drought, responses and adaptations. Remember, a drought is an extended period of unusually low rainfall, which leads to a shortage of water. It can have environmental, economic and social impacts. These can be short and long-term. Evidence suggests that drought is becoming more likely, mostly as a result of climate change. Therefore, we cannot prevent it, so we will have to adapt to or respond to it in some way. This means changing our behaviour or using technology to reduce its impact on people and the environment. 3 areas which have had to adapt to drought include Australia, the Sahel, and the UK. Let's start with Australia. A severe drought between 2002 and 2009 in Australia became known as the Big Dry. There were a number of strategies adopted by local and national government, as well as by individuals. These strategies included government subsidies were given to individuals towards rainwater storage tanks for their homes. Sustainable water use was monitored to ensure each state or region did not go over their allocated amount. Recycling grey water, wastewater from showers, baths, sinks and washing machines. Irrigation systems were made more efficient to reduce water use. A ban was placed on washing cars and to limit shower use to 4 minutes. A desalination plant was built in Sydney to remove salt from seawater at a cost of over $1 billion. The national government paid out $1.7 million per day in drought relief funds to farmers. And farmers could claim up to $600 in compensation and support from the government each fortnight. The Sahel is a semi-arid region stretching across 9 countries in northern Africa, south of the Sahara Desert. These countries are vulnerable to drought and desertification. The strategies used in the countries of the Sahel include encouraging farmers to grow drought-resistant crops. The Africa Climate Exchange, an organisation exploring how science can help improve food security in the Sahel. The Great Green Wall, a large-scale tree planting project which aims to prevent further desertification. Improving the knowledge and understanding of droughts in the region. Using drip irrigation to reduce the amount of water wasted on farms. And stones are placed in lines across the land. These are designed to capture rainwater. And finally, the United Kingdom, particularly in the southeast, is prone to droughts during the summer months. The growing population, alongside an uneven distribution of water supply, can quickly result in drought if there is a lack of rainfall. There are actions taken by water companies as well as individuals in response to these droughts. Strategies used during droughts in the UK include: most homes have water meters fitted to encourage the monitoring of water use. Water companies are investing money in its infrastructure with the aim to reduce leakages. Water companies are given permits to extract water from rivers. Hosepipe bans may be brought in, with fines of up to £1,000 if they are used. And national advertisement campaigns are used to encourage lower domestic water use. Summary: areas affected by drought have to adapt or respond to reduce its impacts. In Australia, the construction of a desalination plant and drought relief funds have reduced the worst impacts. In the Sahel, drip irrigation and the Africa Climate Exchange have been developed to improve the region's resilience to drought. And in the UK, national campaigns and water meters have been used to encourage homes to lower their water use. Keywords: desalination, the process of removing salt from seawater to produce fresh water. Irrigation, artificial addition of water to the land or soil. Desertification, the process by which land becomes drier and degraded.